The year is 2026 and we're already a quarter done with the 21st century. And throughout these years, we've witnessed some of the most innovative products known to mankind, from the internet to cell phones to the emergence of AI. So most of you probably have a New Year's resolution. You want to replace your 9 to 5, you want to start a business, you want to travel and explore new places and ideas, and you want to make 2026 the year that everything changes. But do you want to know the actual truth? This could just be another year that nothing changes. This could just be another year that you sit down and lay back and say, you know what? Maybe this just isn't for me. Maybe I'll just wait till next year. The year you watch other people your age or less capable than you earn life-changing income and accomplish more than you, while you sit on the sidelines feeling stuck in place. And I get it. Maybe you told yourself 2026 is going to be my year. And yet here you are, still waiting on the perfect opportunity. But the truth is, the perfect opportunity don't just come to you. You have to go out there and get it yourself. And frankly, we're supposed to be living in one of the greatest eras of opportunity to accumulate wealth and succeed with the help of AI and the internet, and yet most people just simply won't do it. But the game has changed and you don't have to fight this alone. As we speak right now, there are thousands of ordinary people making money online from the simplest yet most straightforward business models. Whether that's real estate, trading, investing, dropshipping, freelancing, consulting, the list goes on, which is why I created a free community of young entrepreneurs and investors here on Instagram, and I encourage you to join. In here, we talk about different methods and ways to make money in the modern age. It is also why I created this YouTube channel depicting the ways of how I became a millionaire by the age of 23. Everything we talk about will be realistically achievable no matter your age, location, background. So I encourage you to subscribe because we are going to go on a generational run and make 2026 our year. Good luck, and I hope to see you there.